It's very simple. Maybe I shared before to you people, but I did not see any interest from you people that at that strategy. Maybe some members they did not see this strategy. Okay, just look at the strategy. The strategy is very simple. That is a strategy. What we need, pay attention here. That is a point, okay? From this point, the two red candles goes down. We are just counting the two. There are three, but we are counting the minimum two candles. So minimum two red candles goes down. Okay. And on this point, minimum two red candles goes down. Maximum three, maximum whatever you find, but minimum two, that are very important. So when you count the two candle here, after green candle, two candle here, red candles. So what we will do, we will consider that is a point number A, that is a point number B. And on this point, we will draw a trend line. Just from this point to this point, and when again the green candle touches the trend line, and once a red candle closed here, we will trade on the second red candle. So that is a formation, that is a sequence of the market. When the two red candle you saw, two again red candle you saw, you just join the 2 points, and when the third time market touches the level and you found the red candle, so this candle will be the your entry point. You can place a 1 minute trade on this candle here, on this candle. So market is following this structure. Again, you see that when market create a candle and the two candles here, one candle here, again a second candle is coming down. But we will take only one setup. Okay, message me later. I will talk with you people, and also I will clear all the queries. So I will show you so many setups, not a one setup, so many setup I will show you in this meeting. And I will clear each and everything. When we will trade, when we will not trade. So that is a sales setup. Once again, please mute your mics. Please mute your mics. So from this setup, the two candles goes down, and the two candles again goes down. When the first candle goes down, we will trade on the second candle. So that is our entry candle. I said mute your mics, but
that we were using a while ago, you might have closed.
okay. On the call setup, just look at the call setup. Look at. Here we found the two candles goes up from the red one. The two candle goes up, again the two candle goes up. And we draw a trend line from this point and matching this point. So that is a point number A, that is a point number B. When later on, when the market touches the trend line and create a green candle, so we will place on this second green candle trade for 1 minute. Showing you some more setups. That is a buy setup. Look at here. So there are two green candles after a red candle. Again, I found the two green candles. I just draw a line from point A to point B. When the candle will touches the level, this trend line level, okay? So here, one green candle and place a trade on the second green candle. That is your entry point. So this strategy will work 90% sure. How to avoid the trade? Okay, I will show you some more examples, then I will told you. Again, look at here. From this point, the two candles goes down. The two candles goes down. When the candle, green candle touches here, and when we saw the red candle, after this red candle, we place a trade on this candle, it will goes down. Definitely it will goes down. If the candle not able to go down, the doji will form. The doji can form if the red candle does not goes down. Okay. On the second, look at here. So two candles goes down from here, two candles goes down from here. When the candlestick touches, but now it's a crosses. So that is little bit risky. If you found the red candle and again the candlestick goes down, this red candle goes down, the next candlestick will go down, but it's just little bit risky. When the candlestick crosses, we will not take a trade. So this is little bit risky. If you want to take, then you can, but we will not take a risky trades. You know that I always avoid from the risky trades. So there are 2 points. The 2 points, it's a doji, and then red candle we can count. After touching and we found the red candle, the next candlestick goes down. And this is strategy. It's tested on the 1 minute, and it's also work on the 5 minutes. Also work on the 15 minutes. Every time frame it's working. So look at, the two candles goes down, the two candles goes down. After the red candle, you see the doji form. If your entry is good, it will be winning trade. Again, that is the same setup. Look at here. From this point to this point, when we join, okay. When the green candle goes up, and you can place a trade. This one. But the trend line must be at the proper way. And there is no other sign, there is no other any need of indicator, need of any other support or resistance line. Only you need just one line to match from this point to this point. Okay, before there is a two candles goes up, and here the two candles goes up, and now after the green candle, the next candle goes up. You will see so many formation on the live chart. I will show you in the live chart also. So here, look at, you can take any type of setup like this one. From here, the two candles goes up, the two candles goes up. After green candle, the next candle goes up. But before, red candle is very, very important. You must find a red candle. Not you can consider the doji candle as a red. No, the red candle is very important. And the down setup, the green candle is very important. And another thing here, that is very important. I want to show you something here. Look at the setup. The setup point number A, it's a price action pattern. The point number B is also a price action pattern. The point number C must be a price action pattern, then it will goes up. So which price action pattern will appear? The inside bar, the Pearson line pattern, the engulfing candle, or in the downward, bearish engulfing inside bar, or you will see the dark cloud cover. So the price action pattern is very important. So in this strategy, you will understand that if there is no retracement on this price action pattern, the candlestick goes up. Again, there is no retracement on this price action pattern, market moves up. So again, there is a price action pattern, so you will never see the retracement. So that is the strategy of the retracement. We are just joining the point to understand that how the market is behaving when in this trend line, the price action pattern does not give us a retracement candle. So the 3 times it's possible it will not give us a retracement. So not give us a here no retracement, no retracement after price action pattern, no retracement after price action pattern. If there is a retracement, again there is a retracement. So if there is a third price action pattern will form, it will give us a retracement candle. So it's a market behavior, market sequence. So look at here. From this point, not this point, from this point. See, the two candles goes up. This is a price action pattern, have a no retracement. Also, it's a price action pattern, not retracement. So from this pattern, market is not giving you the retracement. So that is the outside bar, outside bar, outside bar. Here we can say, or you count the morning star, otherwise it's an outside bar. So market will not give you the retracement candle. It will goes up. So that strategy is tested in the OTC market also. In the OTC market, it's also working. These are the results of this strategy. And also I shared this result. That is a result of this strategy. You need a patience. Every 5 to 10 minutes you will get entry. Every 5 to 10 minutes. If you are opening the 4 pairs. Now we are moving to the chart. Everyone understand the strategy? Are there any query? Then ask me now. Then I will show you on the chart.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, brother.
You said that these points should be some other price pattern. So whether it can be morning star or evening star, point A and B.
Yes, if you find a morning star in a point number A and again morning star on the point number C and 95% chances on the point number C, the morning star will appear.
But if the point number C is some other pattern,
so sometimes the patterns are different. Sometimes the patterns are different, but if the two patterns are consecutive, the third pattern will be the consecutive also. If the two patterns are different, the third patterns can be different.
Okay, so the first two should be same pattern.
First two should be, no, it's not necessary. You just need a extra confirmation. There is a price action pattern because I am telling you the core of the strategy. That what is the core inside view of the strategy, why I am taking these type of trades. So that is just, you need just a two green candle on the third patch of the trend line. When you see one green candle, you can place a trade on the another candle, it will be green.
But behind that green candle, there should be a pattern.
It will be a pattern. Most of the time you will see the pattern. So look at here. Look at here. So that is a point number A. That is a point number B. So look at. That is a pattern. That is a pattern. Also, that is a pattern. This candle is also a pattern. So how it's working? The two candles goes down, two candles goes down. After red candle, the next candle goes down. So here the two candles goes down on this area. The two candles goes down, but at the next time only one candle goes down. But now we cannot match on here. It will be wrong. If we are matching this one to this one, it will be wrong. We will match to this one. But now there is no setup here. There is no setup here because it's crossing. We will never take this type of setup. We will take this type of setup. The two goes down, the two goes down. When the first goes down, the second will be our trade.
So, sir, the basic thing is that the two candles must go down or must go up.
Yes, the basic thing is that the two candle must goes up or must goes down as per the setup. So there is a two candles goes up, the two candles goes up, we will join these 2 points.
Yeah.
We join.
In trend line, sir, we are joining A to B.
A to B.
Trend line drawing.
Only A to B we will join. The C point will be tested and the one green candle will appear. You will place this on this candle.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, like this one. So market is here. Okay. We don't know what is on the next. We just to take a line from this point number A to point number B. Now we are waiting what is market doing. Okay, market is coming down and touching the level. So we are not taking a trade on the rejection. We are not taking a reversal trade because sometimes reversal not working on the trend line. But when the green candle formed, so now it's a confirm the second candle must goes up because the two candle goes up, the two candle goes up, the second here again the two candle goes up. So the two candle goes up. And so here, look at
Sir,
yes, ask me brother.
sir, we need to join the wick or a body.
So here what I joined, the lower low point of this one, and here you can join here, 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 as per the green candle, on the C point of the green candle. So this is point is very accurate point. The lower low of this point, that will be very accurate. And the second point on the green candle, you can adjust. You can adjust. Here it's a perfect, you can just add. So we need just a confirmation that the green candle is forming or not. It's a creating or not. So here it's a due. So we can adjust this level from here to here to here. If we can add here, so it's also suggesting that the market moves up. If we are drawing here, also suggesting market moving up. If we are drawing here, also suggesting. Like here, from this point, we can adjust, but the first point we cannot adjust. It's a due point, the low or the high of the point. So here we can adjust. So here we can adjust because after this green candle, we found the red candle. Okay. So when we adjust, if you see the big candle which crossing the level, any point of view, it's crossing the level, then we can wait. Otherwise, it's a this type of point you can take. This type of point you can take. If the two candles coming in the level, it's fine. If the one candle is coming in the level, it's so fine. So these pictures I will share with you, then you can get an idea. And now day by day, we will talk on it. We will correct. You don't go directly on the real account. First this week or the next coming week, you just to practice on it and show me the results and show me the trades. I will correct it. Once you will be corrected, then you move to the real account. So here, look at here. On this point, market moves down, market moves down. So now it's a broken. We cannot take this one. Okay, because this level is broken. And if we are adjusting the line, here we are getting. Here we are getting that, but it's broken again. So this is sometimes risky trade. It's suggesting you can place a trade because it's following this sequence. High, lower high, lower high. It's following. But sometimes you can avoid these type of trades for the better performance. Okay. And now here, look at. So that is the point. I just to add this one to here. So now the green candle is out of from the level. We cannot take a trade here. Don't make a mistake. This green candle is not on the channel. It's below the channel. We cannot take this one. It's risky now. But now we can take here trade from this level to this level. From this level to this level, you can take a trade because it's above the level. Above the level will give you the benefit. Below the level, it will reverse again. So this will give you the benefit again.
So it means that we should adjust this lines according to the point B. Then we can know.
Yes, the point B is adjustable. The point A is not adjustable. The point B is adjustable.
Okay. So then we can know which one is crossing or which one is not crossing.
Which one is not crossing. So look at here. The sequence of the market, what's saying to you. After this green candle, market moves down. After this green candle, market moves down. Again, after this green candle, market moves down. Got it? That is a sequence. So when the two candle goes up, the two candle goes up, again two candle will goes up. When after one green candle market moves down, one green candle market moves down, again on the one green candle market moves down. You don't take this type of trade. Just I am showing you the sequence of the market. Okay. So that is the strategy, and it's tested by me, and it's fearless strategy. I'm giving you guarantee it's a fearless strategy. So there are 2 to 3 members. They helped me to research on this strategy. They tested this strategy. They are very comfortable in this strategy, and they're saying that there is no fear in this strategy. And out 10 trade we are taking 8 trades, 9 trades, every time we are winning. And there is no other any filter of this strategy. Just you have a filter this type of one. If on the point number C you find a very big candle like this one or like this one, then you avoid the trade. Then you avoid the trade. This is an exhaustion candle. You know that after exhaustion candle we don't take any trade. The candles must be related to the context which is going on. The candle must not be these type of exhaustion. So this type of market is not good. And this is a trend line. Everyone knows this is a trend line. So trend line strategy working in a trend. It will not work in the ranging market. Keep in mind. So trend line strategy only working in the trend. Where you see the trend, you trade on this one. So trend is any type of trend, like a healthy trend, like a strong trend. A strong trend have a more winning ratio, and healthy trend have less than more winning than a strong trend. So that is a strategy. Anyone if have any query, ask me that I can clear him.
Sir, point A is higher high is green candle or red candle? Suppose is green candle is coming.
Which one? This one?
Point A.
Point A is a, okay, wait.
Higher high point.
Yes, higher high, it's up to you. Where you see the point A and point B is matching. It's not a necessary, it's a high point or low point or what point. So here just we are matching that, the 2 points are matching or not. So everywhere you can take, we are not taking this from here. From here to here we are taking, because these 2 candles goes down, 2 candles goes down. This is a pair. So this is the 2 candles pair, this is a 2 candles pair. So we are pointing just at 2 candles.
Okay, sir.
We really appreciate, it's very powerful strategy. God bless you, sir. Yes,
sir, we should take precautions on SNR levels.
Don't make a critical strategy. I am making these strategies only simple for you, that very beginner trader can take these trades. So if you are adding the SNRs, if you are adding the indicators, it will be critical. So leave it as a simple. Just should take a trade on the simple strategy. There is only this one trend line. There is nothing other you can add it. Not you are looking at the volume, nothing. Just you look that 2 candles goes down, 2 candles goes down, the 2 candle will goes down.
Yes.
Don't
Just need to 3-point touch.
3-point touch. You don't need anything. Just you wait for but you just to avoid from the news also. Overlapping time also, that will be, the market will be very bad. And the one thing more here, okay, I'm accepting that is a diamond strategy. It will give you, it will make you millionaire, but without money management, I am not giving you guarantee. The money management is very important. I shared the money management with you people. So without money management, if someone give me that, sir, I am having a loss, I will never accept. If you are using the money management system, I guarantee you, never you will get a loss from this strategy. So money management system is very important. Very important. I'm talking you again. Very important money management system. So money management system, what will do for you? The fear, it will make a 0. Fear is equal to 0, and greed is controllable in the money management system. So there the greed is controllable. When the greed is increasing, it means your account is near to belong. So you control your greed, control your fear. So this money management system will work for you. It's your account manager. So this account manager is managing your money. You have just an idea where I have to trade. The system will tell you that how much amount you have to put for the trade. For the every entry, you cannot take a decision on the money from yourself. You just to use the money management system. It's my request to all members. Okay, if you want to be a profitable trader, if you want to earn money from the IQ option or any platform, the money management system is very important, very important. Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
Clear,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes.
again we will take some session on this strategy again. Okay, today just I introduce this strategy. You people just to make a practice on it, make a research on it, and on the next week, again we will talk on this strategy. The 1 month or 2 month consecutively, we will taking the meeting on this strategy. But you people just understand that this, you are the VIP members. I am making a differentiate from you people to public. So if you share this strategy with the public, so it means you are not making a difference from the VIP member to the public member. So you just keep it for your own self. It's my secrecy. It's our secrecy of the academy.
yeah, of course, sir.
Okay, this is secrecy of our academy. When you show the trades, when you take a picture of the trades, you remove the trend line. It's your secrecy. Okay, so when you keep the secrecy, you will be successful. If you don't,
Yeah.
then so that is my request to all members. Okay, and you assure me that you will be keep my words.
Yeah, we will keep you secret, sir.
Oh, yes, sir. We'll keep your word.
Yes, sir. We'll keep our word.
Okay, thank you. So then if I found that everyone is respecting my words, so next week I will give you a strategy of the buyer's doji and seller's doji. That is very, very profitable strategy. And after that strategy, you will be able to understand each and every candle breakout. Each and every candle breakout, I'm giving you guarantee. Each and every candle breakout, you will understand the next candle is a reversal or the next candle is a continuation. It's my promise. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much,
Then
sir.
I will give you the buyer's doji and seller's doji, and buyer's rejection and seller's rejection. When they are broken, the breakout is happen, what will be the next candle, and that will be a most profitable strategy than this trend line strategy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. You joined me, and I hope that everyone will be profitable with this strategy. Thank you, sir.
Inshallah, sir.
Thank you, sir. We love you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.